Do you have a headlight or turn signal out on the front of your Toyota Tundra? If so, here's a guide on how to replace one of those bulbs. The first thing you'll want to determine is which light is actually out. Ours is the driver's side low beam headlight bulb. And next you're going to pop the lever here. This will unlatch the hood. Now we'll walk around and raise the hood. Directly below the Toyota symbol should be a lever. You'll just want to push up on that with your fingers, and then the hood should easily raise up. I always recommend double checking to see which bulb is out, just so you don't replace the incorrect bulb. Never attempt to replace a bulb while there is power running through it, so make sure they're off. And then also you'll want to make sure that you never actually touch the physical bulb with your fingertips, because the oils from your skin will cause the bulb to burn out. So if you want a little extra space, you can remove 4 fasteners on this light, and it will actually be able to kick out about an inch or two, and then you could get your hands in this tight spot here. Here, I'm not going to do that. We're going to take this bulb and we're going to turn it counterclockwise. So I'm turning it toward the driver's side of the vehicle, and we're going to pull it straight out. This bulb is bad, so I'm not too worried about what it touches at the moment. But once we replace it, we will make sure that we make no contact with that bulb, and we'll try to keep all the dirt and debris off it as well. To remove our old bulb, there's a little tab that you press in at the bottom of this harness. Next, we'll match up our bulb, make sure we have the correct one, and we're just going to press it back onto this harness, and then we will put it right back in the socket. So when putting it in the socket, there are 3 metal tabs on this light. There's only one way that this light can be inserted into the actual fixture housing itself, so you want to make sure those are lined up so that it will easily go into place, and then you're going to want to turn it clockwise in order to tighten it into position. Once it's in, make sure it is flush against the housing and you are good to go. Now we will double check to make sure our new bulb is working before closing everything up. Down in the description, you will find a link for the bulbs, and including any tools I used in this video. And if there's any specific videos you'd like to see on this vehicle, please feel free to share in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you and have a wonderful day.